We are here in the Magic Kingdom, and Brandon has got us started on yet another mystery pin set. These are the Haunted Mansion Ghost Portraits mystery pin set. Hence our beautiful backdrop of our lovely Haunted Mansion. The full collection includes 10 pins. Each box contains 2 randomly selected pins.
This box cost $17.99.
Alright, so this is our first box, so we're starting off. Oh, okay, we have Constance Hatchaway as our first pin.
Okay, now on to pin number 2. Let's see what we got.
We have the Gravedigger.
Cool. I like the backs. The backs of these pins are that glossy charcoal colored.
Well, it blends in with the rest of the pin.
Yeah, I like it. I can't confirm or deny whether these glow in the dark. I think that they don't, because otherwise it usually says it, and I can't find it anywhere. Okay, cool. Constance Hatchaway and the Gravedigger. That's the first 2 from our new mystery pin set.
Do you like to collect mystery pin sets? Let us know in the comments below. Do you get frustrated when you're down to like your last 1 or 2 pins and you just can't seem to find them? Do you completely complete one set before you move on to the next set? Let us know what your favorite ones to collect are in the comments below. And remember, until next time.
No capes.